Devon, a quintessential corner of the English countryside. It's a summertime gem as picturesque as any. Crop fields and pastures stretch in every direction, dotted with small towns, quaint cottages, an occasional castle, and pubs that have been around since medieval times. But beyond the fairy tale hedgerows, blackberry bushels, nettles and farmland, another side of Devon awaits. The coast. Wild, rugged and timeless, where green rolling hills give way to soaring cliffs, fishing villages cling to the shoreline, and the North Atlantic crashes endlessly into coves carved into the bedrock. And it is this, along the south coast of Devon in England, that we've come to explore. My name's Michael Campbell, and this is an epic mission adventure.